Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for FITTER 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. I am referring the book as Fundamental of Drawing Care Gopalakrishnan for the mechanical students and engineering students. I am teaching you isometric projection problem number. In the previous class I have taken problem number 1, then the problem number 2, isometric projection of irregular polygons. So that is given as a isometric irregular projection. Draw a isometric projection of an irregular plane surface shown when it is placed with this surface. One it is vertical and second one it is horizontal. This is a vertical and second one is horizontal. So the question has been given like this. Then how the figure has been given like this. Collect the total 15, otherwise what the dimension they are given we should collect, then draw into vertical and horizontal. I'll teach you how to draw the problem number 2. They are given a irregular shape, so we have to collect the breadth and width. So given is they given 30 mm like that. Make a middle point as 15 mm. Here they given they are given a irregular, they give a figure so that we have to do everything and collect everything. So the drawing it has been like this. So first they are given from here, make one point 15 mm. So they given in the question 15 mm. They have given middle as a like this, draw like this. So the question has been given like this. After that take 10 mm from here, draw like this. After that they taken 22 mm, draw like this. Okay, after that here they have taken from here 15 mm. So this is a irregular, we have to collect everything. So in this point they have taken like this irregularly. So this point they given here like this, so that the drawing has been given like this. Take here 60 degree on the upper side, 75 degree. So 60 degree joints come here. See what the drawing has been given, twisted here, so that the drawing is given like this. This side take 60 degree, this side taken as 75 degree. So this is irregular, we have to collect the dimension. So the figure they will give in the examination like this, so we have to collect like this. So the drawing, the question has been given like this. So we are taken like this. So they given like this. This they are given as 15 mm. This is the 30 mm. This they are given 22. Then this is 10. This is irregular. We have to find a 75 and 60 degree. So this is 15 mm. So this also 15 mm. Okay, 15 mm. Name the parts. A, okay, B, this will be a C, then this will be a D, this will be a S, T, V, P, Q. The 60 degree, 75 degree we have to take from this point. Okay, then the second question we have to do in a vertical and horizontal, vertical and horizontal. Okay, I'll write here vertically, draw like this, keep here one point somewhere, take 30 degree, so the 30 degree will come like this. By using the compass, I will teach you. Make from B to C 1 point, A to D, no, otherwise you take from B to A, so the drawing will come very neatly. Okay, so that we'll get a projection line like this, so like this. The drawing will come vertical type, so it will be like this. Now we are taking a measurement, see, from A to P, keep and cut a point, keep it as AP, from P to Q, P to Q, cut an arc, this you keep it as Q. Okay, after that A to V, cut an arc, that you will get V and D. From D to U, this I will take as U, D to U, cut an arc. Okay, so that this will be a center axis like this. After that, from Q to S, this will be a Q, this will be S, this will be a C, this will be a B. Okay, if you get any dot like this, it will come from the middle V to T, from the middle V to T. Okay, that's all friends. Join like this, join like this, this is T, this is S, everything has taken. So this will be your vertical method. Okay, then this we have to take in the horizontal method. In horizontal method, take one reference line like this, keep a middle point, take 30 degree and 30 degree, simply keep one reference line like this. Okay, a reference line, So from B to A, cut and point. See, B to A, cut and point. Then B to C, cut and point. Okay, so this projection line will come here like this. This line projection, if moving, it will come like this. So this is a vertical, this is a horizontal. By using a compass, a simple method I will teach you. P to A, A to P. Okay, this will be A, P. Watch clearly. From P to Q, P to Q. Keep it as this is one point. This is a Q. This is one point. This is one point. From A to V, point V. From this will be a D. Keep the point from D to U. This will be a U. So the drawing will come like this. This will be your C. Then we have to find out from U to S. U to S, cut. Yeah, you will get S one point. Then this I'll take a middle axis line. So V to T, V to T, and this will be T. Then the drawing will project here like this. So please enjoy and do it. It will be very nice. Very simple and very easy. This is an horizontal. Please friends, share to your friends. My channel name is MR Engineering Drawing for FITTER 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Thanks for watching my channel. So that the drawing will come like this: vertical, horizontal and a plane. So the question has been given like this. Thank you for watching my channel.